Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set live wallpaper on PC. So first things first, all you have to do is you need to have a strong internet or let's just say Wi-Fi. Go to any web browser and then type live wallpaper, then press enter. Actually, this is just a very easy tutorial. So here, what you're going to do is you have to select that specific website which is suited to your PC. For me, the first one here, the first link, I'm going to click this as I am currently using Windows. So this is what it looks like. Now you have to click or tap on free download. Click this one. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then here you will see this download lively wallpaper. Again, scroll down and tap on free download right here. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds till you see that on the upper side, you will see that it is now starting to download. So you have to wait for that. Now, as you can see, if you click this download button right here and then go to download folder, what you're going to do is you have to locate that lively wallpaper. Now go to your downloads and then you have to right click. Look for lively wallpaper, right click, and then tap on run as administrator. Click this one. Now wait for a couple of seconds again as it is processing. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can tap on run, click this, and then wait for a couple of seconds again. Now, probably you should see this one. All you have to do is to select English or depends on your language and then proceed or tap on OK. Wait for a couple of seconds again, and then you should see this one. Welcome to Levy Wallpaper download. Just proceed. You have to read the following information here and then agree to their terms and conditions. So tap on accept. And again, wait for a couple of seconds and just proceed. So as you can see, it's now starting to download. So all you have to do is to wait again as it is processing. Once done, you will see that it will just pop up like this. Thank you for downloading Lively Wallpaper. So tap on Run and then wait for a couple of seconds again. So probably you should see this one right here. So install and then tap on OK. So you have to read the following. Welcome to the Lively Wallpaper. So you read and then after that tap on next. Click the next button and then read again their terms and conditions. Scroll down right here and then tap on the check or check the box right here. And then after that, tap on the next button right here. Tap on next again. Tap on next and then just tap on next. Tap on install and then wait for a couple of seconds again. It depends on your internet connection too. But once done, then you should probably see this one right here and then tap on finish. Now, once you tap on finish, what you're going to do now is you have to go to the search icon. And then this time you have to look for the lively wallpaper. Since you have downloaded this, then all you have to do is to search for lively wallpaper and then open this application. So once you have opened this application, and then probably you will see this one right here where you can see different live wallpapers, and all you have to do is to click the three dots and then tap on set this as live wallpaper as this one. So this is what it looks like. And now if you have your own live wallpaper on your desktop, then you can add them right here so that it would be easier for you to select which one you want to use. But since I don't have yet, then all I have to do is click this add wallpaper. Now you can upload that from your device, or you can also paste the link right here. If you can see a site where you can see different live wallpapers, then all you have to do is to paste the link and then it will be automatically added right here. But I'm going to show you what it looks like if you're going to select a live wallpaper from this application. So all you have to do is to click this three dots right here or double tap, and then these are the options below, and all you have to do is tap on live wallpaper right here or set this as live wallpaper. Then you can exit this application. Then you will see the result right away, which is this one. Okay, so as you can see, I can move this. Now feel free to change it again. So you can go back and then look for another one. And same thing, just tap on the three dots and then click live wallpaper or set this as live wallpaper. So basically, if you go to the search icon and then search a specific keyword or if you're looking for something, it depends also if that is available in other application. But if not, then again, you can just basically upload that from your device or copy that and paste the link right here if there is a specific website for live wallpaper. And then add all live wallpapers right here so that it would be easier for you to select one. Okay, so another one, this is another example from their live wallpaper samples. So again, if you want to change, you can go back and then look for another one again, and then tap the three dots and then set this as live wallpaper. And again, if you can see the one that you're looking for, you can go to a specific website, copy the live wallpaper, and then paste it right here. Okay, so basically, this is how easy it is to simply set live wallpaper on PC. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.